The story of the red shoes. Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a poor girl named Klara. She had only one pair of old shoes that barely covered her feet. Despite that, she was cheerful, kind, and always helped her neighbors. One day, while walking home barefoot from church, because her old shoes had finally torn, she found a pair of beautiful red shoes lying near the road. They sparkled in the sunlight, and they seemed just her size. An old woman from the village saw her holding them and said, "Dear child, those shoes are very pretty, but be sure they don't distract you from what truly matters." Klara nodded politely, but inside, her heart was full of joy. She couldn't wait to wear them. From that day, Klara wore the red shoes everywhere, to church, to the market, even to the fields. She would look at them and smile, sometimes forgetting to greet her neighbors or help her mother. One night, she had a dream. The red shoes were dancing on their own, spinning and spinning, and they wouldn't stop. When she woke up, her feet were sore. She tried to take the shoes off, but they felt stuck. Soon, Klara became tired, dizzy, and sad. She realized she had been ignoring everything, her chores, her prayers, her kindness to others, all because of these shoes. So, she went back to the road where she had found them and whispered, "I'm sorry. I forgot what's truly important." At that moment, the shoes slipped off on their own. She left them there and walked home barefoot, feeling lighter and free. Her mother hugged her, and Klara promised never to let anything, not even something beautiful, distract her from being a good person again. Moral of the story: true beauty lies in kindness and humility, not in what you wear,